Hello beautiful people, my name is Murali Krishna. I'm a technical programming manager and a professional mentor from India. In my early days of career, I was a professor in an engineering college. Although I loved teaching my students, the pay did not fit my bills. One day, I decided to get into this corporate world to make more money. That's when I got introduced to this data, which led me to learn programming languages like SAS, Python and R. It was challenging to learn SAS because there are no exclusive mentors available at the time. Mostly it was self-taught, and I was successful in completing multiple projects, and my work got recognized by various companies around the world. I didn't stop that because I have realized that there is a huge knowledge gap in learning SAS, Python and other programming languages, especially clinical SAS. That's where I have decided to teach online so that a lot of people will get benefited. So in this way, people who wish to learn programming languages don't have to lose these lucrative job opportunities as they don't have exposure or knowledge. Many people right now don't have access to this education system. Only people in corporates have exclusive access to one-to-one learning sessions. So I recorded my classes and started uploading my lectures on YouTube for free. But I never realized that I was teaching the whole wide world. So I taught and taught and taught a lot more people, not just from India, but all around the world. So in this whole 10 years of journey, I have seen many professionals. They are of IT freshers, QA engineers, operational managers, database administrators, and also the employees from the reputed organizations like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Amazon approached me and upskilled themselves and landed in the high-paying jobs. When I was a college professor, my mentor told me, if I can educate a single person, I can change a life. And being a professor, I truly believe in it.
So guys, listen, SAS is the basic entry point for the most sexiest jobs fields like data analysis, data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Up to 60% of the organization wants senior leads with analytical skills.
Join the wave of other students if you want to land into high-paying jobs across the world. And did I forget to mention, I can teach you in 3 different languages: English, Telugu and Tamil. If you want to know more about this program, or if you want to know the curriculum, or if you want to know about the job opportunities, please click on the link in the description. We can connect over the Zoom call.